There are some tips you can use to plan effective exposures that will really help your social anxiety the most. Exposures number one should help you to get closer to your goals and the things you care about. So, for example, if you really wanted to get closer to people and open up more to them, some exposure items might be about ways that you can gradually open up to people in your life more than you already are. Exposures are also about approaching the things that you avoid. So, in that list of things that you avoid on the previous page, if you find yourself avoiding certain situations or people or places out of social fear, those would be good things to put on your hierarchy as you try to approach those situations. Good exposures are also done without safety behaviors or with reduced safety behaviors. So keep those safety behaviors you listed in mind so that you can identify and write down some ways that you can lower those safety behaviors and even do exposures that are making mistakes on purpose. And really great exposures are ones that you can repeat a few times to really teach your amygdala and help it to learn new beliefs. And it does this the best when exposures are repeated multiple times.